Today we'll be finding the vertex of a quadratic from either form, vertex form or standard form. What you have to understand is the easiest way to find the vertex is from the vertex form. You understand that the vertex form is y equals ax minus h squared plus k, where the vertex itself needs to be in h comma k form. Okay. Now, the h value, see that the x minus h, so the h value is 3 and the k value is positive 9. Remember from previous videos that when you pull out the h value, it actually switches signs. It is the opposite or the um, inverse of it, I guess. If it's negative here, it's positive here. And if I were to plug it into the equation, then it would also be a positive x minus 3 squared plus 9. Now, that's how you find the vertex from the vertex form of a quadratic. If you're given a standard form of a quadratic, you have y equals 3x squared plus 36x plus 11, or 112, I should say. Now, you can complete the square on this and change it over into vertex form, but then you're doing a little bit more work. So I want to introduce you to some equations. H equals negative b over 2a. And then we're going to, after we find h, we'll do basically f of h, which means you will take f of h equals k. What that means is you'll take whatever you find in that you get for the h when you do negative b over 2a, you'll plug it into the equation to get the k value. So basically what you're doing is you're finding an x value and you're substituting it or evaluating it in the equation to find the y. In this aspect, the vertex is h and k, so that's why we're using appropriate terminology. Now, we know that this is A, that's B, and that's C, so you're only going to use the B and the A, and make sure that you plug these in with parentheses. Okay. If we do this one, it's going to give us, let's see, negative 36 over 2 times 3, which equals negative 36 over 6, which is negative 6. So the h value happens to be negative 6. Now, when we say f of h is equal to k, what we're meaning is we're going to take our h value, we're going to stick it into the original equation. So that's going to give us 3 times negative 6 squared plus 36 times negative 6 plus 112. Now, you can type this in exactly into the calculator, exactly how it's written, if you'll use parentheses, and it will evaluate it for you right off the bat. Just make sure that you put parentheses and put the appropriate negatives. And when you do so, you will get, when you evaluate this, you get this particular equation to be pen has stopped working. Let's see if I can get it back working. No. Well, it's going to be equal to 4. So when you plug this in, you need to find the h first, which is negative b over 2a, which gives you negative 6. Take negative 6 and plug it in for each value of the variable, and that's what we've done here, and evaluate it, and you'll get the k. So that would give us, let's see if we can, I can't get my, so it actually gives us a vertex of negative 6, comma 4. Okay, that's our vertex. All right. This concludes the video of finding the vertex of a quadratic from either form, either a vertex form or a standard form. So that's the end of part 1.